biggest thing for people who haven't been to the summit before. They think they're coming to get Amazon education, which of course they are, but there is so much more to the summit than just the Amazon education piece. When you put 1,000 people in a room from all walks of life that have all chosen to do the same thing at the same time, there's something that really special that happens. Amazing connections get made. We do a lot of stuff that's just high-level business strategy. I've been in business for 20 years. I've had 17 different companies. The breadth of what I'm able to teach people in those 3 days is so much more than just how to list a product on Amazon. Stuff about scaling companies, building companies, recruiting talent, managing people. It's a really broad and really deep experience that people come away from just completely surprised with what they got out of it.